Hi, my name is Cyril and I'm a technical service engineer at SMA Australia. Today I will give you a quick overview of the communication interfaces for Sunny Island 6.0H and 8.0H, both for off-grid and on-grid applications. There are three types of interface add-ons that you can retrofit with the Sunny Island 6.0H and 8.0H. The first add-on is the SI Syscan interface when using a multi-cluster box to allow communication between the master of the main cluster to all masters of all extension clusters, each cluster consisting of one master and two slaves. The second interface is called the SI ComSMA and is retrofitable when you wish to use all RS-485 communication devices. For example, when you need to monitor your plant via a Sunny web box or use any other RS-485 devices such as a meter connection box or a Sunny sensor box. The last interface is the SWD MSI-10 for Speedwire communication to interact with the Sunny Home Manager and Energy Meter. Now let's have a look at each interface separately. For the Syscan add-on in multi-cluster configuration, you will need to have one Syscan card inserted into the master of each cluster. For instance, if you have 3 clusters, you will need to insert one Syscan card into the master of each one of those clusters, and they would be linked with RJ45 data cable. When you buy the interface, it will come with a 5-meter yellow cable, a terminator, and a screw. To install the card, simply insert it on the mounting hole on the right-hand side interface of your Sunny Island, then fasten the screw. The left-hand side communication slot is reserved for either of the 2 other interfaces mentioned, namely the ComSMA and Speedwire interface add-on. In multi-clusters, you need to retain the terminator on Syscan out on the master of the main cluster, and daisy-chain them to the masters of the extension clusters from Syscan in to Syscan out. The last master in the chain will need to retain a resistor on Syscan in to close the loop, just like this. The next interface is the ComSMA add-on for RS-485 communication. For example, if you wish to monitor your system using a Sunny web box. When buying the interface, it will come with a 5-meter gray data cable, a white data cable with one side of stripped insulation, a terminator, and a screw. To install the card, simply insert it on the mounting hole on the left-hand side interface of your Sunny Island and fasten the screw. For RS-485 devices, a termination resistor is required on the first and last device. If the last device is a Sunny Island, simply insert the resistor on ComSMA in to end the loop. In multi-cluster configuration, you will need each master of each cluster to be equipped with a ComSMA add-on. Again, if the last device of the chain is a master of one of the extension clusters, simply insert the terminator on ComSMA in, such as shown on the screen. The last add-on is the Speedwire interface, which interacts with the Sunny Home Manager and the Energy Meter. When buying the interface, it will come with a 5-meter gray data cable, 3 spacers, 1 filler, 1 screw, and 1 cable support sleeve. To install the add-on, first insert 2 of the black spacers provided with your interface inside the Sunny Island. Then plug the Speedwire card on the left-hand side interface of your unit and fasten the screw. When the card is safely installed inside the Sunny Island, you should now be able to plug the provided data cable directly to your router. Once you have installed your interfaces, you can check under your Sunny Remote Control if your Sunny Island has detected your interfaces under menu 312.18 for the interface on the right or menu 312.19 for the interface on the left. This concludes our tech tip for communication interfaces for Sunny Island 6.0H and 8.0H. My name is Cyril, and thanks for watching. See you next time.